I created this cookbook because I wanted to see these beautiful recipes in print, and I wanted to be able to have something that I could give to you that you could physically hold and I was a part of your life physically. And I love cookbooks, and I've always wanted to create one. Back in 2005 I had a vision, and I've never let go of that vision from this day. And every day I'd put a shout out to my friends who live in my neighbourhood, and I'd be like, food, ready, come and eat. It was just really kind of just a straight up message. And they would just stream in the door, and I would just open up all the glass containers of all the food that we made that day, and everybody would just eat, and describing the food in their way of what they loved the most and what they wanted more of, or what they felt that needed more salt. It was so fun. The process of making this cookbook was so awesome. We shot every recipe in my bedroom, and the reason why we did that was the light was phenomenal streaming through where my bed head hits the actual window. So it was just amazing, and the reason why we did that is because then we didn't have to fake the food or put colouring and make it look different. It was very natural and very delicious. When it came to the book design, I was advised to get a publisher and an agent, the right book designer and all the things. And I decided not to do that. I decided to do it myself in-house. And I was on a call with my designer, Kimber, who I've been working with for 8 years, and she has a brand called Soulful Branding. And I said to her, hey Kimber, I've been advised to look for publishers. Do you know anybody that does this, that designs books? And she was like, I can do that. And oh my gosh, that was the greatest breakthrough for me working with her. It was incredible because she just knows me so well. And this is the thing with a designer and someone like Kimber. It is soulful branding, and she put this together and came up with a silhouette of the body, of a woman's body on the front cover. And it's a beautiful curvy woman's body, which my body is curvy. And the whole presence in this book is about love, and about love for you, about love for your organs and how you show up internally for you. It is plant-based love stories, and it's got 97 real food recipes in here. And the photography is incredible, done by a friend of mine, Gungun, who's an incredible photographer who I've been working with for many, many years now. And as I flick through it, I'm just so proud and humbled by this piece of physical goodness.